Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into one of the most useful yet often overlooked functions in Google Sheets, the match function. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find the position of any item in a list, and you'll understand how to use match to take your spreadsheets to the next level. Whether you're handling shopping lists, tracking inventory, or just trying to organize information, this will save you tons of time and frustration. So let's jump right in. To make things super clear, imagine we have a sample table. In column A, we have a list of fruits: apple, banana, orange, mango, pineapple, and watermelon. Alongside in column B, we've got each fruit's price. So the table starts at A2 and B2, going down to A7 and B7. Now, here's a common situation. You want to find out where a particular fruit appears in your list. Maybe you're tracking mangoes in your stock, and you need to know where it sits within your data range, not by manually counting each row, but instantly with a formula. That's where match comes in. Let's look at the match function in action. The formula we'll use is equals match mango A2 A7 0. Here, what each part means and why you use it. First up, mango, this is the value we're searching for. You can type a different fruit or even refer to a cell with the name you want to find as long as it matches what's in your list. Next, A2 A7, that's the range where you want Google Sheets to search. In this case, we're looking only at the items column, not touching the prices at all. Defining the range matters a lot because match doesn't look for your value everywhere, it sticks to the cells you specify. And finally, we have the 0 at the end. This seems a little mysterious at first, but it simply tells Google Sheets only count it as a match if it's exactly the same. If you left this out or used a 1 or -1, you'd get different behaviors. But for most cases, especially with text like this, 0 is almost always what you'll want. Exact matches for the win. So what does this formula actually give us? Match returns the relative position of mango within your data range. If you run equals match mango A2 A7 0, the result is 4 because mango is the fourth item down starting from A2, not the fourth row of the whole sheet, just the fourth spot in your specified range. This is super handy because you can use it to find where anything is in your list, almost like asking Google Sheets, hey, where can I find this item? Now let's take this one step further to a really practical use case. Lots of people want to find out the related value for something in their list, like what is the price of mango? Traditionally, you might use VLOOKUP for this, but with a combination of match and index, you get more flexibility. Here's the formula: equals index B2 B7 match mango A2 A7 0. This formula first finds the position of mango with match, then uses index to return the value from your prices column that's in the same position, so you get 1.2, the price of mango. Think of it as asking the sheet, which price matches up with mango in my list? And there you have it. Match is a simple but mighty tool, and when you combine it with index, it becomes even more powerful. Give it a try on your own list and see how much time it saves you. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tips, and of course subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.